Ever wondered how long it takes to get your money out of StashAway? Let's dive in and find out. StashAway has quickly become a popular investment platform, offering a user-friendly way to invest your money. But what happens when you decide it's time to withdraw your funds? How long does the process take? Let's break it down. Understanding withdrawal requests. Before we delve into the specifics, it's important to understand how withdrawal requests work on StashAway. When you initiate a withdrawal, the platform processes your request and then transfers the funds to your linked bank account. Factors affecting withdrawal time. Several factors can influence the time it takes for your withdrawal to be processed. Withdrawal amount. Smaller withdrawals are generally processed faster than larger ones. Larger withdrawals might require additional verification steps, which can slightly delay the process. Bank processing time. Once StashAway transfers the funds to your bank, the actual crediting to your account depends on your bank's processing time. Some banks might take longer than others to process incoming transfers. Platform load. During peak times or periods of high platform usage, processing times might be slightly longer. Typical withdrawal time frame. While exact processing times can vary, most withdrawals are typically processed within 2 to 5 business days. This time frame includes both StashAway's processing time and the bank's processing time. Steps involved in the withdrawal process. Initiating the withdrawal. Log into your StashAway account. Navigate to the Withdraw section. Enter the desired withdrawal amount. Confirm the withdrawal request. StashAway processing. StashAway verifies your request and initiates the transfer. This process usually takes 1 to 2 business days. Bank processing. Once the funds are transferred to your bank, the final crediting to your account depends on your bank's processing time. This can typically take 1 to 3 business days. Tips to speed up the withdrawal process. Ensure accurate bank details. Double-check your bank account information to avoid delays caused by incorrect details. Monitor your withdrawal status. Keep an eye on your StashAway account to track the progress of your withdrawal. Contact StashAway support if necessary. If you encounter any issues or have questions, reach out to StashAway's customer support for assistance. While the exact withdrawal time can vary based on several factors, StashAway generally processes withdrawals efficiently. By understanding the factors influencing processing times and following the tips mentioned above, you can ensure a smooth and timely withdrawal experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.